Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox the Samsung A21s. So this is 6GB of ROM and 64GB of internal memory. And before we proceed guys, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell button. And let's proceed now to unboxing. Actually, in order ko color black, kaso out of stock daw, so white ang available. So here it is. I hope maganda rin yung color white. So natanggal ko na yung seal kanina para diretso na tayo and tipid sa oras. So, by the way, ito muna yung box. Plain, and ito yung title. And inside we have the small box, this one. And walang jelly case. As expected naman yun. Quick start guide and warranty card. Set aside muna. Here's the phone. Ito muna. And inside the box, we have the charger, USB Type-C cord, earphone, and the pin, SIM ejector pin. And proceed na tayo sa phone. So, Samsung Galaxy A21s with Infinity O display. Also, quadruple camera and fingerprint sensor. Open natin. Ito. Yan. And color white. This is the color white. If you can see it clearly, parang pearly white siya na para may rainbow effect dito. Tapos parang laminated siya and made of plastic. And here's the camera, the quadruple camera. In the bottom part, we have the speaker, the mic, USB Type-C port, and the earphone jack port. On the right side, we have the power button and the volume control. On the top, we have the mic also. Tapos on the left side, we have the SIM card tray and for the memory card tray in one. So here's the phone. Yan. Kita niyo yung punch hole camera nasa donut. Ang cute, no? This one. Very vivid yung color of the front screen or the main screen. The display type of this phone is PLS TFT and the screen size is 6.5 inches. And the resolution is 720 x 1600 pixels. For the OS, it is using the Android 10 One UI 2.0. The chipset is Exynos 850 and this is the latest chipset na ginamit para sa Samsung A21s. So this is the SIM card slot and for the memory card. So this is expandable up to 512GB. 2 SIM card and for the memory card. Color white yung loob. So appreciate ko lang ulit yung color white. Okay naman, maganda naman siya. Ang preferred ko talagang color is color black, pero dumating yung white, tapos in-unbox natin, maganda rin pala siya. Ito. So for this type of phone, I'm expecting na sana okay yung performance since it is using the latest chipset for mid-range phone, especially for Galaxy A21s. For the camera, it has quad camera in the front. This one, looking nice, oh. Letter L siya. For the main camera, it has 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth. For the front camera or selfie camera, it has 13 megapixels. So okay na okay yan, 13 megapixel front camera. For the video, both front and back camera can record up to 1080p at 30 fps. For the battery guys, it has 5,000 mAh battery capacity. So medyo mahaba-haba yung araw natin for browsing. playing games also, watching videos from Netflix or YouTube, and among others. For the response of fingerprint scanner sa likod, okay, nakalock siya, then unlock, lock ko ulit, check, unlock. Again. For the face recognition, medyo mabilis din ang response niya. So, try natin. So, nakalock yung screen. Ito. Meron palang process for face recognition kapag naka-eyeglass ka. Papasutin ka pala ng eyeglass, then half of it papatanggalin, then i-scan ulit yung face mo for the face recognition. So, okay pala siya. So, don't you worry kung naka-eyeglass ka, then papa-unlock mo yung screen, then okay na ulit. And kahit wala kang eyeglass, kasi na-scan na rin yung face mo without the eyeglass. So guys, what can I say about this phone so far is number one, yung graphics sa game. Hindi masyado clear yung graphics for this game. Hindi maganda rin yung graphics ng games for this phone. And also medyo may frame drop siya. Playable siya pero this phone is not for heavy gamings. Pero when it comes to the light games like Candy Crush and other light games, mga puzzle games, okay siya. When it comes to videos like YouTube and Netflix, very vivid yung color pero napansin ko kulang sa brightness kahit naka full bright na yung phone. But still, maganda yung quality and colorful. Yung brightness lang talaga ang problem. Siguro depends na rin sa videos na napili ko or videos na pipiliin ninyo coming from the uploader kung maganda rin yung pagka-upload niya or maganda rin yung quality niya. For the videos, nag-try kami ng video calling with my relative. Okay naman yung quality ng front camera. So, good siya for video. So, yung quality ng front camera, okay siya pang online class and or pang video conferencing. So, okay this phone. For the loudspeaker, Hindi siya masyadong loud kahit naka full volume na siya. Pero naintindihan mo naman yung mga piniplay nating songs or lyrics or the messages na galing sa video. Naintindihan mo naman yung sinasabi nila. For the photos and videos, okay yung quality nila. And then it can zoom up to 8 times only. So photo 8 times and for the video 8 times. Okay yung quality. Although when it comes to taking macro shots, medyo may challenges for me to focus on the subject when it comes to macro shot. And also for the live focus on the back camera or rear camera, medyo nahihirapan din mag-focus to get the bokeh background or the blurry background of the subject. Pero sa video, okay naman siya, just play and record and okay yung quality niya. Wala rin siya stabilization, so medyo dahan-dahan pag maglalakad while recording. So overall guys, this phone is okay for online class kasi maganda yung quality ng front camera. Online conferencing, okay din tong phone. Watching videos, Netflix and YouTube, okay din siya. Or playing music on the loudspeaker, okay din siya. For gaming, not so good. So skip this phone if you're going to use this phone for heavy gamings. So far, hindi naman naghahang yung phone while doing multitasking on this device. And the price of this phone is 11,990 pesos. So it depends na lang sa inyo kung kasya sa budget nyo to buy this phone. So guys, what do you think about this Samsung A21s? Please leave your comments below. And guys, meron akong giveaway. Since this is my birth month, I'm going to give away my Samsung M11. Maganda rin to. Ito yung phone na in-unbox ko. Just check my list of videos and look for M11. So I'm going to give this away. Again, ito yung in-unbox kong phone. For you to win this, just read the description below and follow the instructions. So good luck guys. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching these videos and I hope to see you soon again. Bye!